Hey everybody, Quilting Marine here. Just wanted to talk about free motion quilting. All right, I've never done it, never tried it. Uh, I know it's a journey for the both of us, for all of us. Okay, and I think today is going to be the day we give it a shot on my new machine. Stop paying attention to that. Watch me. Watch me. Over here. Over here. No. No. Yes, these are the patterns. You're gonna learn them later, okay? It's what is it? Square and square or box and square or something like that. I'm sure somebody's gonna tell me. I think it's square and square pattern. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do with the daisy cutter. Leave that alone. We're watching me. Alright? So we're gonna do some free motion. Alright, my first time, I'm gonna give it a shot. I figured I'd give it an attempt today on my machine since I have a great machine that can handle it, and I have my free motion foot on the machine already. So let's give it a shot. It's my first time, so it might be ugly, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, here we go. We're gonna give. Hey, watch out! I'm gonna give this free motion thing a whirl here. All right, this is the first time for all of us. So what I did was I grabbed a couple of scraps, some black, and I put like some other stuff behind it just so it has a little give to it, okay? No, I don't wear gloves. I'm not gonna wear gloves. And if you watched my videos, you know why. I'm not gonna wear gloves. That I draw the line somewhere. There's gotta be a line, and my line is I'm not wearing gloves. I'm not gonna do it, all right? I gotta do it at work. I'm not gonna do it at home, okay? All right, so kind of nervous a little bit. So I got my free motion quilt. I got my free motion foot on. All right. It's got a nice little glass thing in there. A little. I don't know. I don't know anything about free motion. So you guys, I'm sure, are gonna teach me or tell me what's going on here. All right. So I think I'm gonna try to let's give it a shot. And why not? Got a machine that can handle it. We're gonna give it a shot. Okay. Let's see what we got here. All right, let me get my look. Any other time I don't get my control pedal in place, I'm stalling right now. All right, All right, we got to get this done before the quilting police show up. Okay, here we go. All right, let's give this a shot here. I got. Everyone's like, "What you get on with?" I got white thread in against black, so that you can see what's going on. Okay. All right, let's go. Here we go. All right. I think the lighting might be a little bit off. Right? I don't know what's going on. Wait. All right, here we go. It's the first for the Quilting Marine, okay? All right, here we go. All right. Let's try it. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that's pretty sick. I know I'm doing something wrong here, but I like it. All right, let's take this out here. What? Sorry. All right, so I don't know what it is, but it's something. So look, I tried it. I gave it a shot. It looks kind of like I have no idea what it is, but I had to give it a shot. I told you I would give it a shot. We gave it a shot, and this is what we turned out. Okay, let's see the back. The back, you're not going to be able to really see that good because it's the same colored thread. Okay, so imagine it's more like a rhythm thing. Let's try another corner, okay? Let's give it another shot. Let's try. All right, so what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to do like these little wavy things, okay? Let's try it. I'm kind of liking it. Anitra sent a little post to me saying I should give it a shot, and I'm gonna try it. All right. So let's try. Let's go. Kind of like it's weird. It's like I don't know. It's like I don't know. It's kind of hard to me, but I don't not like it. Okay, I like it. It's just all right. I'm gonna have to do my research on this. Okay, because it's like I don't know. Look like a drunk driver on there a little bit. Okay, I guess getting used to like pilot instead of like it's weird to describe. Okay, it's like you're drawing with your left hand. All right, that's what it feels like to me. So I have to figure out how to do it. I guess make a pattern. I think I'm gonna cheat a little bit. So I'm gonna draw what I want to do. I'm gonna use like a fabric pencil or something. Draw it out and then trace it with the needle, and then probably try to get better from there. I don't know anything about it. It's my first time. Look, thanks for hanging in there. I stalled on this for 3 years. And this is what I get, spaghetti. Okay. So look, we're gonna do this again. I'm gonna try to get better at it so that I can help you. All right. You know, the best way to teach is to learn yourself. All right. So remember, it's only fabric, it's only thread, and we'll get back to it. I guess I don't know, maybe. All right, guys. Thank you.